Good morning to everyone. I am Malini, the HOD of Department of Computer Science and Business System from Akshaya College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. I am going to discuss about the cloud deployment model. First, let's discuss about the introductions of the cloud deployment model. Clouds can be classified into the four types of clouds. First one, public clouds, private clouds, hybrid clouds, and community clouds. Then going to discuss about the public cloud. Public cloud is also called as the external cloud. It's the common form of the cloud computing, in which the services are made available to the general public in pay-as-you-go manner. The customers can be individual users or enterprises who can access these services over the internet from the third-party provider who may share these computing the resources with many customers. This kind of cloud model is widely accepted and adopted by the many enterprises because of the leading public cloud vendors as Amazon, Microsoft, Google have equipped with their infrastructures. Then the public cloud refers to a cloud service delivery model in which a service provider makes a massively available IT resources such as CPU, storage capacities, or software applications available to the general public over the internet. The public cloud services are typically offered on a usage-based model. Then public cloud is the first deployment model of cloud services to enter the IT industries. Then this is the architecture of the public cloud. Okay, it's the public cloud model is established in distributed computing technology. Here it is given mentioned. This is some examples of these public cloud providers. This is Salesforce is one of the company. Okay, then Google, next organization, Microsoft, Amazon, Oracle. These are these organizations that provide this public cloud. Reasons for the starting with the public cloud: because of its low cost. Then is a solution can be provided the solutions in various ways. Then it's a low it is low risk while using this is public cloud. Then the subscriptions is the pay for what you need or use. Then third one is the rapid accumulation of knowledge, skills, and experience. Then next you are going to discuss about the private cloud. A private cloud or an internal cloud is also called as an internal cloud, which is used when the cloud infrastructure, proprietary network or data center, which is operated only for a business or organization and serves the customer within the business firewall. Most of the private clouds are large company or common departments who refer to the keep their data in a more controlled and security manner. Such kind of these private clouds offers the many benefits of the public cloud computing environment, such as being elastic and service based. Main difference between the private cloud and public cloud is that in a private cloud service, data can be processed and managed within this organization, but in public cloud the data can be processed and managed between these different organizations, that is various organizations. In addition to that, the private cloud services offer the provider and the user greater control of the cloud infrastructure, but main purpose is to improving this security because user access and networks used are restricted and decimated. Then next, the reasons for starting with a private cloud: it provides a high security. then strategic obesity, then generally the focus on the internal optimizations, then it becomes an internal cloud service provider. Next type of the cloud is the hybrid cloud, a composition of two types, that is the private and the public, is called as a hybrid cloud. A private cloud is able to maintain the high service availability by scaling up their system. And then hybrid cloud, it is an enterprise can keep their critical data and applications within their firewall while hosting these less critical ones on a public cloud. For example, an organization might store the customer data within its own data center and have the public cloud service such as Amazon EC2 to provide this computing power in on demand manner when the data processing is needed. So another example, the concept of public cloud as an overflow for the private clouds, where an IT manager does not need to the provision its enterprise's private cloud for the worst case workload scenario, but to leverage a public cloud for overflow capacities to move less mission critical workloads and off premises dynamically and transparently to accommodate the business growth or seasonal peak load. Then last type of the cloud is the community cloud. The side of the cloudy community is derived from these grid computing and voluntary computing paradigms. In a community cloud, the several enterprises with a similar requirement can share their infrastructures, thus increasing their scale while sharing the cost. Another form of the community cloud may be established by creating a virtual data center from virtual machines instances deployed on a underutilized users' machines. A community cloud is controlled and used by a group of these organizations that have shared these resources. The hybrid cloud is a combination of public and private cloud that interoperates. Is the structure of this hybrid cloud. Okay, private internal, private cloud and public cloud. Okay, thank you.